paano po mag-register. Alright? Kayo pong mga dealers, again, meron po tayong 20 pieces na Tecno user or retailer. Para po magamit ng mga retailer nyo dun, para po magamit ng mga kapitbahay nyo gustong mag-loading, kailangan po natin i-register. Okay? Ganito po yung gagawin natin. Magpa-process po tayo ng lx-reg na command. Okay, ganito po yan, oh. lx space reg or reg space Tecno user ID. Okay? Yung Tecno user ID or yung retailer ID space subscribers activation code or yung SAC. Nasa likod po yan ng Tecno user card nyo. Kailangan nyo po i-scratch para makita nyo po yung number. Alright? It's a 10-digit number. And then space birth date. Okay, make sure the birth date, ganito po yung format, month dash date dash year. Okay, ito po yung sample, 12-05-1984. Yan po yung birth date format. And then space telco code. Alright, ganito po yan. Kung ano po yung SIM na gamit nyo, yun po yung magiging telco code nyo. Kung SIM nyo is talk and text, tagay nyo TNT. Kung SIM nyo is touch mobile, that is TM. Kung Sun, that is Sun. Kung Globe, that is Go Globe. Kung Smart, that is Smart. And Red Mobile, that is Red. Okay, yun po yung mga accepted telco codes. And then space your full name. Okay, review lang po natin tong message na to. Again, lx space reg ID number space subscribers activation code, 10-digit number na nasa likod na kailangan i-scratch, space birth date, space telco code smart, space full name. And then make sure walang human error. Make sure na walang sobrang space. Alright? Pag okay yung command, send nyo po sa gateway nyo. Okay? Pag tama po ulit yung commands, agad-agad magre-reply yung system natin. Ito po yung i-reply ng ating LoadExtreme system. You have successfully registered your account. Your load balance is 0. Of course, kaka-register pa lang, 0 balance talaga yan. And bibigyan po kayo ng default password or your personal identification key. 6-digit password, okay? You have successfully registered your account. Load balance is 0. Your PIK is 12345 6. And pwede nyo po yung i-change anytime nyo po gustuhin. And then, sa likod po ng Tecno user card, meron pong step 2 doon to change your address. Hindi nyo po kailangan sundin yon. Optional lang po yung change address. Again, hindi na po kailangan mag-change address na command. Alright?